Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Liana with a classical pianist with Music Academy International Inc. And in today's video, it's video number 8 on a series of 10 videos that is gonna become a course on Teachable. So today we will talk about understanding the theory behind major and minor chords, okay, and obviously arpeggios, okay, so how they are composed, and so only for those that are really interested. So first I'm going to talk about half steps and whole steps. It's a must understanding. That's how music is creating, with half steps and whole steps, or tones and semitones. And then we will build up all the chords, not only on white keys, major and minors, they're going to be on the black keys as well. So let's get started, okay? So I did have before, I would like you to go and check it out. It's a short video in regarding chromatic scales. So chromatic scales, you will play black and white keys in the order as they're coming. So I did explain there how to play this. But it's not this one, it's very important. Why it's important, the chromatic scale, is that all these keys, actually, they create half steps, or we calling semitones. So from here to here it's a semitone, from here to here it's another one, half step, from here to here it's another half step, and even from here to here it is a half step, from here to here. So all this are all half steps, okay? So two half steps obviously is gonna be a whole step, right? So from here to here is one half step, plus from here to here half step. So from here to here it's a whole step, right? Next whole step, from here to here half and another half. This will be a whole step. From here to here it's a half plus another half. We're gonna have a whole step here. From here, if I wanna do another whole step, I will go where? Yes, to G sharp. From here to go to another whole step, I will go to A sharp. And from here to go to this, it's gonna be here a whole step. So a whole step is not necessarily white to white key, right? Or black to black key. A whole step, it can be white to black key here, because this, it's a half step as well. So right now let's look to C major and see what is into the chord of C major. So C major is actually the model for all the other keys, right? So C major, if you know C, E, G, this is the C major, right? From C to E, how many whole steps or half steps we having? So we having 1 and 1, right? So this is a whole step, and then plus another one. So from C to E we having 2 whole steps. That this one is called a major third. Remember that, major third, or you can call it a big third. That's how I'm calling it with my students. It's a big one because this is major. It's 2 whole steps. Right now, if you look from E to G, right, you will have a half step plus a whole step. So this one, it's actually called a minor third, or a small third, because it's a little smaller than the major one, okay? So this one is 2 whole steps, this one is 1 half and 1 whole, right? So this, and C doesn't matter because right now we're having an octave, right? So this is how all major chords or arpeggios are formed, from the big third and the small third. First is the big one, the second one is the small one, or first is the major one and then it follows the minor one. That's why it's so balanced. The chord is always very balanced, okay? We having one of each, right? Alright, so right now, obviously we did learn the D. If you wanna see the D, can you see? 2 whole steps, 1 and 2, right? And half and 1, right? So right now, if I wanna do C, let's see, I wanna do C sharp major, right? So C sharp major, how I'm gonna do it, this is 1 whole step plus 1 whole step here. So this is the second note, right? And now I'm gonna have a half step and then plus a whole step here. Sounds good? So that's how it's gonna sound, C sharp major. Or you can do this and then obviously build up what? The inversions. Or like that. Am I going too fast? Right? D major we already know. So right now what we're gonna do? We're gonna do E flat major. Right? So this is the one. So let's build it up. 1 whole step plus another whole step. So the second note of the chord is this one, right? The third note of the chord is gonna be, you go half of the step plus 1 step, right? Half plus 1, so it's gonna be this one. So E flat, G, B flat, E flat. Can you see that? That is your E flat major, right? E, you already know it, you can check it out. F is white keys, G is white keys, same. 2 whole step and one and a half, or 1 whole and 1 half, whatever you wanna call it, right? Okay. Which one you didn't do? F sharp major. Wow, let's do F sharp major right now, right? 2 whole step from the F sharp, right? So you're starting with the F sharp, 2 whole step, G sharp, A sharp. That's gonna be second note. And right now, 1 half, 1 whole, right? 1 half, 1 whole. And right now, yay! That's gonna be F sharp major. G, you already know it. A is gonna be this one. Check it out if it's right. Is it right? I don't know. You check it out. Let me know. A is this one. B. Can you see that? 1 whole plus another whole. That's gonna be a major third plus another half and whole, right? And that is the B flat major and this one. And C. Ba-bam! And so right now you should know all of them theoretically. That doesn't mean you're not supposed to practice, because first it's here, but then you gotta practice until you embody all of them, obviously with, you know, inversions and so on and so forth, okay? So let's go right now to the minor. So the one that is the minor that obviously it's the one that it makes sense, it's A minor. A minor, it's related with the C major, you know, both, you know, C major is, every major has a relationship with the minor. So we're calling it's the relative, the minor relative, and it's A minor. So A minor, as you can see here, right? So what we do have in A minor, we have 1 whole step and 1 half step, okay? 1 whole, 1 half. So in this situation, compared with the major, it's reversed. You have a minor third first on the bottom, and then you have a major third on the top, or a big third. So remember, in the major one, you have the big one, or the major third first, and then the minor third second. Right now, in the minor, all the minors, arpeggio or chords, first you have the minor one, and then you have the major one, okay? 1 and 1 half and 1 whole steps, and then followed by 2 whole steps third, and then this one, right? So if you know that, guess what? Everything is related, right? So we having C minor, 1 whole, 1 half, 2 holes here, E flat G, minor third, major third. Yes, we do know that. Next. Alright, so this would be C sharp, E, G sharp. So here you can see one whole step, one half step, and then follow by two whole steps or two tones. I said they call it as well. That's going to be C sharp minor. D minor, we already know it. You can check it out. One and a half plus two, and this, right? E minor. One and a half plus two whole steps. E flat, G flat, B flat, and that's gonna be E flat minor. E minor, we already practice on this. We already practice on that, so let's go to the black key. F sharp, A, C sharp, F sharp, right? One and a half, can you see that? One and a half plus a major third, like in A major, but right now F sharp, A, C sharp, F sharp. Am I going too fast? Slow down the video and watch it a couple of times, okay, to learn this, okay? We already know that. Oops, did I play major? Oh, I played major. Right? So this one, what it is this? A flat, C flat, E flat, A flat. Okay, so you see one and a half here, one and a half plus a major third and this one. Right? This would be an A flat minor. A flat minor has 7 flats and is the relative of C flat major. Okay, very fun. Alright, so we're having B flat minor, B flat, D flat, F, B flat. Can you see that? And this one you already know it because and back to the C, right? How did you like that? On the same time, you can practically learn them just going one half of the step in chromatic way. It's hard, it's whatever it is, but you could do that. So if I'll go this one, C, E, right now I'm just going one half step up and it's gonna be C sharp minor. See that? I'm trying to see, you know, this D becomes E flat, this one becomes here, this one is here, and then here. You can do like that as well, whatever it's easier for you to practice, but for me it would be easier to count 1 and a half, the bass, the first third, with followed by two whole steps, and easy as that, you got the chord. So when you will have, you know, if you wanna learn like a fake whatever, you know, a lead is called the lead, the lead songs, you know, where you have the right hand and then the left hand is telling you the chords, you know, and you don't know the chords. If you remember minor third followed by a major, that's how, or small and big. I'm calling small and big thirds, you know, that's how you're gonna figure it out how to do it. I hope this was enough helpful to understand the structures of major and minor chords. We might go some point in time for augmented and diminished. Everybody likes diminished, or even seventh chord, you know, it's an entire harmony here. You know, we can go on and on and on and on and on, but it's good enough for the moment. So as I said, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for my Patreon family that they supporting me all the time. I could not have done it without your financial support. If you would like to do that, it's only $10 a month and you will have different videos You will not have any ads, absolutely, and definitely you will have the live Q&A monthly with me. So it's fun. Always, it's fun. On top of everything, today it's March. When I'm recording this video, 2022. So I'm running right now for June and July 2022. I'm running a special offer for the summer tryout piano. Okay, so 4 lessons with me, one-on-one on Zoom, $125. So welcome, find my email and let me know if you are interested. So that would be it. So again, subscribe, like. I hope it was, inspiring. Tell me, how do you practice and how did you like it and how did you learn the chords, and if this is, enough easy for you to understand. Thank you so much and see you in the next one. As in the next one are the long arpeggios and majors, how to practice. So we do have still number 9 and number 10 long arpeggios in major and long arpeggio minors and inversions, how to practice. So I hope this was again helpful and see you in the next one.